Hello everyone, my name is Max. Today I'm going to show you how to generate a seed phrase for your crypto wallet in the most secure way. Why is this most secure? Because you can inspect the code that generated very on your own. It's only 150 lines of Python code, and if you even Python novice, you can see that nothing sends request away from your laptop, and nothing else never leaves your laptop while this code is running. Here is my repo. All you have to do is to clone it to your laptop and run this script, and it will generate 12 words seed phrase, or longer if you want. In contrast, when you generate a seed phrase with popular or even open source crypto wallet, there is always some layer of trust. There are many things that can go wrong. Man-in-the-middle attack. Someone who approved a pull request to master was a hostage, whatever. The thing is that 99.9% of people who use open source, which is synonym to safety solution, never check the source codes themselves. They trust to someone. It's putting responsibility of your money to someone else, which I personally don't like to do with my money. Examples of trusted open source solution are Trezor, Metamask, but can you actually read this and this repos to be able to make sure that there is no line, there is no malicious or suspicious line that gets executed during any stage of seed phrase, before that or after that? I cannot do that. You can't do. I don't think even these 230 people know what's going on here. Maybe 3 of them. So this is reality of code, and I believe I know what I'm talking on because I am the senior DevOps engineer on my job. And yeah, same with Metamask. Look how many issues do they have. My code doesn't have any. So go on, welcome.